Hey students, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome to our 5th recipe video. Today we are going to make another unhealthy and delicious recipe. Today we are going to make brownies. So good. I love brownies. Okay, so let's get started right away. What ingredients do we need to make brownies? Here they are.
To make brownies, you will need sugar, flour, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, chocolate, eggs, salt, oil, water, and vanilla.
Okay, so now that you know the ingredients, it's time to learn how to make brownies. How do we make brownies? Here are the directions.
To make brownies, you will need 2 bowls, a medium bowl and a large bowl. First, take the large bowl and add 1 cup of sugar. Next, add 3/4 a cup of flour. Then, add 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I didn't have chocolate chips, so I bought a bar of chocolate and I cut it into little pieces. For this recipe, you will need 1/2 cup of chocolate. You can use chocolate chips or you can just cut a bar of chocolate. Fill 1/2 cup and add it to the other ingredients. Next, add 3/4 a teaspoon of sea salt. Mix all of the dry ingredients. Then, take the other bowl and add 2 eggs. Put 1/2 cup of oil into the bowl. And 2 tablespoons of water. Last, add 1/2 a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the wet ingredients. Then, mix together the wet and dry ingredients. My ingredients were really dry, so I added a little bit more of oil and a little bit more of water. Now, put the batter into an 8-inch by 8-inch pan. I lined my pan with paper. Spread it out evenly. And then put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes.
All right, so the brownies are finished and I'm so curious. How are they? Let's try it. Look how beautiful it is. Let's try it. It's delicious. It's so good. Thumbs up. Okay, and now for the project, you know what to do. Continue with your English recipe book, turn the page, and write the recipe for brownies. Okay? Bye, students. See you in the next video.